The first step in making your paper airplane is laying it flat on a table like this. You can either make it this way, or you can fold it upwards and make it this way. However, for this instance, we're going to leave it flat like this. Our first step will be to fold the piece of paper in half, like this. And you want to make sure that you line up your edges real tight, and then slide all the way down to the bottom. The second step is to open it back up, and then from the corner of each edge at the top, bring it back down to the center like this. And then repeat on both sides. Or on the other side, rather. There you go. Now, for your third step, you want to take this corner and fold it inwards towards you, towards the center, as such. Make sure you try not to bend the top part, because if you bend the top part, then you're kind of screwed. And then you do the same to the other side. Almost there. So now what you want to do is fold it on either side, and you're going to make the wings now. So you bring, at any point you can go either higher up or lower up, but I tend to go lower so it has a flatter body, and then fold it down here. And then you repeat the same process on the other side. Oh. So then this, and it's the exact same process, and then you can line it up with the first wing that you made, so now it's equal. And there you go, a basic paper airplane. Last step in the build process of making a paper airplane is to test fly.